Why is my car making strange noises? Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to be talking about a common car problem that can be both annoying and concerning: strange noises. So, you're driving along, enjoying the ride, and suddenly you hear a new sound coming from your car. It could be a squeak, a rattle, a groan, or something else entirely. What does it mean? Well, let's dive into some of the most common causes. Brakes, squeaking. This is often a sign of worn brake pads. Grinding. This is a more serious issue, indicating that the brake pads have worn down to the metal backing. Engine, knocking or pinging. This could be due to pre-ignition caused by running the engine on low-octane fuel or overheating. Rattling. This might be a loose heat shield or a worn timing chain. Suspension, squeaking, or groaning. This could be caused by worn bushings or ball joints. Banging. This could be a sign of a loose control arm or a worn shock absorber. Exhaust system, rattling. This could be a loose heat shield or a hole in the exhaust pipe. Roaring. This could be a sign of a leak in the exhaust system. Other possible causes: loose parts. Sometimes a simple loose part can cause a strange noise. Foreign objects like stones or debris can get stuck in various parts of your car and cause noise. Troubleshooting tips: listen carefully. Try to pinpoint where the noise is coming from. Check under the hood. Look for any obvious signs of damage or wear. Take your car to a mechanic. If you can't figure out the problem yourself, it's best to consult a professional. Remember, strange noises from your car should never be ignored. Addressing the issue early can prevent more serious problems and save you money in the long run. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or would like to share your own experiences, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more car maintenance tips.